Hello all, I'm Ganeshkumar, Professor in Chemistry. Welcome to a lecture series in Applied Chemistry. This lecture series, we will discuss about electrochemistry. In this session, we discuss Introduction to the Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? It is a branch of chemistry that studies the relations between electrical energy and chemical changes. And its focus on chemical reactions that either produce electrical current or driven by an external electrical current. It's nothing but a practical application which we see in our day-to-day life, like batteries, electroplating, electrolysis, corrosion prevention, etc. Now we discuss some of the terminologies which we observe in electrochemistry as a basic. Electrochemistry is based on redox reaction, that means an oxidation and reduction reaction. The oxidation involves the loss of electron, while when there is a loss of electron, the metal will donate electron to some other thing and another one will absorb the electrons. So the reduction involves the gain of electrons. Electrochemical cell. An electrochemical cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy or vice versa. There are too many main types of electrochemical cells. We call it as voltaic cell or galvanic cell, which generate electricity through a spontaneous redox reaction, and electrolytic cells, which use electrical energy to produce chemical reactions. That is, a non-spontaneous chemical reactions are produced with the application of external electrical source. The next is electrolyte. An electrolyte is a substance that conducts electricity when dissolved in water or in a molten state, which enables the movement of ions between the electrodes. So then what is an electrode? An electrode can be classified into two. One is anode, another one is cathode. The electrode where the oxidation occurs. Then what is cathode? A cathode where the reduction occurs. In a galvanic cell, the anode is negative and the cathode is positive. And this anode, cathode, negative, positive is being reversed in electrolytic cell. That means in electrolytic cell where the anode is a positive and cathode is a negative. And the whole electrochemistry is driven by the Faraday's law of electrolysis. The Faraday's law of electrolysis, which quantifies the relationship between the amount of electrical charges passed through an electrolyte and the amount of substance oxidized or reduced. So what is Nernst equation? So please look into the Nernst equation as an assignment. The Nernst equation is an equation which gives us to calculate the electrode potential or standard electrode potential of a metal or an electrode in a non-standard conditions. What are the applications of electrochemistry? There are several applications. The electrochemistry where battery is a device like lithium-ion battery and lead-acid batteries. They are based on the galvanic cells. The electrolysis, like water splitting, electroplating, and the production of aluminum. So all these things are classified into electrolysis, which has a basis in electrochemistry. Next, the sensors. The device like pH meters, which can measure the pH of any solution or water, or glucose sensors. Nowadays, we use glucose sensors to identify the level of glucose present in the blood for diabetes patients. So these things are operated electrochemically. Then fuel cells. The fuel cells which have a redox reaction in which hydrogen is used as a fuel and the hydrogen oxygen reaction takes place which produces energy which along with the water. There is no pollution in that. Then the corrosion. The electrochemical principle explains and help to prevent corrosion by galvanizing, by anodic correction, cathodic corrosion. And these have wide applications around this electrochemistry. So, what is electrochemistry and what are the terminologies involved in electrochemistry? What is the basic law behind electrochemistry? And what are the simple applications of electrochemistry which we saw in our day-to-day life? Has been gone through this video. Um, Thank you. In the next video, we will discuss about the oxidation reduction reactions.